Welcome back, everyone, to Headline Automotive, news, opinions, and essays from the boardroom down to the car in your driveway. A rapidly escalating international dispute may soon impact upon low dealer inventories and higher new car transaction prices, just like we experienced during COVID. This crisis reminds us once again how fragile the automotive supply chain remains, especially when international politics intervene. The standoff involves the Netherlands, China, and the United States, all vying for control of Nexperia, a semiconductor company owned by a Chinese firm called Wintec Technologies that's headquartered in the Netherlands. The company is a crucial supplier of the basic invisible chips that run simple functions like car lights, cruise control, and power windows and airbags. There's hundreds of these chips in every modern vehicle. And the crisis began in late September when the Dutch government took control of Nexperia's headquarters, citing national security concerns and worries over potential transfer of crucial technology and know-how back to China. And this action came after the United States had placed Nexperia's parent company, Wintec, on an export blacklist. China responded swiftly in early October. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce issued its own export control order, effectively halting Nexperia's Chinese factories from shipping its finished goods without approval. And that's the choke point, because while the chips are designed and partially fabricated in Europe, about 70 to 80% of the final assembly and testing happens in China. And this retaliatory move by China instantly froze a massive portion of the world's supply of these crucial basic auto chips. Impact on new car production? Well, the fallout has been immediate and global. Tier 1 suppliers like Bosch and Continental, which uses Nexperia's chips in their components, are running thin on inventory. Car manufacturers around the world have been sounding the alarm. In the United States, groups like the Alliance for Automotive Innovation has warned that if chip shipments don't resume quickly, U.S. auto plants could face serious production delays as early as November 1. And we're already seeing the first signs. Honda, a major player in North America, has reportedly begun adjusting its output at its U.S. and Canadian plants due to the shortage, and General Motors has also indicated its production is at risk. And the solution this time around isn't about finding an alternative supplier, it's about the time it takes. Automotive standards are extremely rigid. A new chip from a different manufacturer, even for a simple function, can take months of rigorous testing and certification to be approved for use in a vehicle. Automakers simply just don't have the time. And for the U.S. American consumer, this is a return to a very frustrating script. Reduced inventory. If production lines slow down or halt, the supply of new cars and trucks will be almost immediate. As inventories shrink on a very wide range of brands and models, the basic laws of supply and demand kick in. You can expect less bargaining power and increased risk of elevated prices and dealer markups, potentially putting a squeeze on family budgets as we head into the new year. And unlike COVID, the solution is no longer a manufacturing or logistics one, it's entirely diplomatic. Governments are currently engaged in high-level talks, hoping to find a political compromise that will unfreeze the flow of chips. Until a resolution is found between The Hague, Beijing, and Washington, the auto industry remains on red alert. This is Headline Automotive. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please pass it along to friends in the auto industry. We'll see you here.